Alright, so well, hello. Alright, I made a silly joke. It's like set my microphone here. Um, hello, hello. Alright, so this is again one of those Linux test streams I have done. Where I just set up set it up a bit to do something. Let's see how it goes. This time I am on KDE Neon. I'm trying this out. Um, I mentioned this so on a Linux on like trying Linux distros video I did recently, and it's like the Ubuntu programs plus the latest KDE Plasma desktop and the latest KDE products. Uh, so yes, but basically Ubuntu, the most popular distro with great app support, um, plus the latest KDE products. And I apologize. I I I was a bit sick recently. I got the coronavirus, but I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better now. But so I still I still have like a little bit of a coughing. So this is also why I won't do a very long stream. Like the last little test stream I did was like 5 hours, I think, almost 5.5 hours. This won't be as long, but I'll still try. Uh, I'll see what I can do here. Hmm. Alright, so no viewers yet. Wait, in Discord it's just like that says I'm live streaming. Oh, I well. Okay, yes, but still one moment. Alright, so alright, I'm back. Well, so about my Linux journey, so well, at first I was just on Ubuntu. Well, actually, the first time I used Ubuntu was well, it was a long time ago. On one of on on one of our really old computers that was a long time ago. We uh, we actually installed Ubuntu on it. This was maybe like Ubuntu 12, 10 years ago. That was in. If it was Ubuntu 12, it was like 2012, over 10 years ago. Well, at that time I was just playing the games that were on there, and nothing else. Uh, yeah, I used the computer just to play like the Flash games, and maybe some installed ones. Well, and I have used, and in recent years I have used the Ubuntu a little bit, and when uh, when I started getting serious about using Linux this summer, I was on Fedora. For it was like pretty recent. I mean, like pretty up to date, and it had the latest GNOME desktop. GNOME looks nice, but it's like really minimal. There is not much to change there. And well, Fedora wasn't really stable for me. It didn't seem like. And then I was on Mint, uh, but with Ubuntu's desktop, because I'm not very fond of the Linux Mint Cinnamon desktop. I think it looks like kind of flat and bland. I'm sorry. Uh, well, and now I have decided. Now I'm trying like KDE Neon. This is like Ubuntu space on with a KDE desktop. Now KDE here is like very customizable. Well, well at well, the default KDE without any without any wait without any customization. Uh, it looks kind of like Windows. Maybe I can show you some. Wait. KDE Plasma. Um. Yeah. This is like the default KDE Plasma look. You can see this is like the taskbar. The applications are here. Here is the start menu. Here are the yeah. Here's the system tray, and I changed it to look like that. Well, I think this is more like a Mac OS look. Here is like the app menu, the system tray, and here are the application icons and the launcher. So One thing is here are the system settings. There are a lot of categories, and well, I want to do first off. I want to do something about this corner here. Um, okay, so edges. Can I just see what tabs I have open? Yeah, yes, that works. So I also have like the appearance here. This is like the KDE theme I can change here. Well, well, one thing is I can just change the whole theme. Uh, yeah. Here is how the applications look. Colors, color schemes. So I can change the accented color here, and like the app, application the application theme as in the colors. This oxygen one looks nice, I think. There is also this Breeze Classic, which colors the title bar with the color accent. But I actually like this one, Oxygen. Fonts. Okay, so how do you customize KDE? Well, as again, at first it looked kind a lot like Windows, and I changed it to look like that. Well, actually, I am kind of working on a video here about this panel customization, and like how I would do it currently. But basically, you can go like to edit mode. You can just like drag these. You can just like drag the panels around. You can add these widgets or elements here, like the application icons, application launcher, global app menu. There are a lot of things here, and you can just like add them here. Then go to the edit mode and just drag them around. Maybe have the clock and at the center. Now you can like pop the panel out like that. The transparency of it. And now this I turned into a dock, which like as I become like as more icons are added here, it grows in size, and as I remove them, it shrinks. So it would the bar would just be as wide as the width of the icons here. So there are these icons, there are these arrows here. One is for the maximum length, right? Like how wide the bar can get, and this is the minimum. And if you have a dock like that, you can just have the minimum set to as low as possible or something, and then let's have the maximum somewhere around here. Also, if I would add a spacer here, uh, something like this would happen. The dock is now I, I'm not even sure what it's doing. But the spacer here, this is like the gap between the elements. If you would like some, if you would like to have some of them, maybe on the left side, maybe some on the right side. You can divide them using the spacer here. And if you have like the panel that changes size there and a single the spacer here, it I don't know, it would just glitch around, kinda. So, and these widgets, you can also just put somewhere on the desktop. I have like a clock here, and this displays the files on my home directory. Oh, right. This spacer should just get out. And I'll drag the clock back to its place. So for the elements I can also check its alternatives, like this one here. Also displays a description if you would like, but I don't know if that's really good on a large stock. Maybe have like a full screen launcher, like that. Instead of the Windows like, or okay, well, I didn't mean to say that the application menu is taken from Windows, but well, technically it is similar to the one in Windows. Well, I apologize for it, but yes. So let's maybe do something. Let's maybe do something at last. So this is discover the this is like the program. This is like an app store for KDE. Well, I said app store, but everything here is free. You can just you can just click download, and what I am going to download is Wine. Wait, I don't really think Flatpak would be a very good idea for Wine, but okay, here's the system Wine. Well, this wine you cannot drink. Well, I'm too young. I'm probably too young to drink wine, anyways. But this one, but this one isn't compatible layer that allows Windows programs to be run on Linux. So well, it helps getting them to run. So Ubuntu comes with Wine 6.0.3. It's not the latest. But okay, but let's download the Wine version that's right there at the store and meant for this system. So one small thing about Linux is that when you're trying to download programs that make use of system files, then you probably need to insert your password while downloading to modify the system files. So I mean, whenever you're trying to do something with the system file, wait. So when, all right, we skipped some frames. I see. Well. But like whenever you're trying to do anything to the system files, you probably need I mean you need to enter your password for that. So now I should be able to open up a terminal and type in wine. Wait, what? It looks like Wine 32 is missing. You should install it. Multi-arch needs to be enabled first as root. Please execute the package add architecture i386 and apt-get update and apt-get install Wine 32 usage Wine program arguments. So Wine seems to be installed, but at the same time not completely. So the this line here is okay. So sudo this line here is just for the 32-bit support. sudo apt install. Wait, if I do sudo apt install wine, sudo apt install wine32. Sudo apt get install wine32. Can I do like wine config? So this is the one configuration. I got it working, so maybe it's fine. Recommended bitrate 6800. Well, I am streaming in 1080p. So I am currently in my room, and it has been apparent on earlier streams that it's not the best internet connection here. But if it gets faulty, I can probably like go to another room or something. I mean the room next to me there's better connection there. Well, it seems alright at the moment. Alright, let's download something now to check if Wine is working. Maybe I should have done it. Well, maybe if I would have downloaded it before starting the stream, you know, it would be a little bit quicker. But well, no. Okay, Anna's seems a bit away right now. But oh well. Well, I kind of like how Firefox here uh, follows the system theme. It's like the KDE Neon's own packaging of Firefox. So yeah, I get the blue the title bar here, and the mint accent at places. Hmm. Our system requirements: RAM 256 megabytes. Not nice. Oh, what is this? Oh, Delin. Well, I think I have seen the bus company. I haven't ridden it. Well, that seems nice. Well, Man New Line City. Well, oh well, these buses are pretty common around Europe. Well, they're pretty nice as well. And well, you can see the uh, well here. Look the system tray of KDE. The system the thing in KDE Plasma is like not the greatest. Like you can say here, it calls Discord just Plasma desktop. Let's see. And yes, now I'm on Firefox web browser. Okay, and now the system tray is still using the system tray of Firefox. While okay, I mean, it's using the it it's using the application menu of Discord on Firefox. Let's close Firefox. And now Discord closed instead. Yeah. Yes, it's not perfect. But it will do. Alright, okay now. TM Nation setup. Is there wine here? I tried downloading the latest wine on Linux Mint and it just didn't work. So I suppose I have to use another edition on it that comes with the distribution. You can say I can just easily download it here. Linux Mint and KDE Neon and a lot of other distributions are just using Ubuntu 22.04 as a base. Ubuntu long-term support. Okay, so if I wine and this. Okay, it didn't run. Wait, did I do wine and yeah. Yes, I did. So if I remove wine from here and just try to download it you using using the terminal. Okay, that's a lot of results for Wine development version. I don't think it's much better. So if I just here, well, I remember in Mint there was this Wine installer. Okay, if I would just do, oh wait, no, sudo apt install Wine. Is that it? Wine version. Wine 6.0.3. Oh yeah, so Trackmania Nations can be downloaded using Snap. But Snap is a really controversial like packaging format. It is made by the developers of Ubuntu. Ubuntu is developed by a company actually, not like a community. And well, Snap, well, one thing is that it's like closed source. You can't put your own apps in here, on there. I mean the Snap store. It's closed. The Snap store, like managers, they have to put apps there themselves. And also the performance of Snaps. Apparently, there's like this slow launch. There might be more bugs with Snap programs on desktops. And if I sudo app install Wine32. Well, let's give it one more shot. Wine32 has no installation candidate. Oh, did I just have to update? Oh. I just had to type in sudo apt-get update to like update the back to update the repositories. But then I yesterday I tried doing like sudo apt update, uh, and it told that it is not recommended uh, to use sudo apt update on the KDE Neon, because KDE Neon had some kind of its own command for its own repository. But now I had to use sudo apt get update, and it worked. Alright, so in total, we have missed almost. Wait, no, that's not almost 5 seconds. That's almost 10 seconds of the stream. Well, yes, as I said, it's in my room. There's not like the best internet connection, but and here we go again. And here we go again. Should I at this point go to my room, go to another room? I don't know. Alright, let's try.
Oof, oof.
Alright, so let me just try launching something. Alright, so why are the powers same for both? For both microphone and the did I, did I mention that KDE has this global app menu that I like? I mean, the app menu isn't a part of the the application, but instead, right here on the panel, I I, I know for some reason it's a I do mind that, and I think it looks nice. Let's try this again. Alright, something is happening. Skipping optional destination. So maybe I shouldn't talk as much, but yeah. But anyways, right now it's installing Trackmania Nations, my favorite one of my favorite games. Well, it's a formula racing game with a lot of stunts. Okay. Um, what? Well, so I did get an error trying to install it. What? What is that background? Wait. So I actually have like the Trackmania, my Trackmania data somewhere. Ah, here. Okay, so someone joined. Well, I'm trying to run Trackmania through Wine, and something really weird happened. I mean, the background just looks dark and weird. Uh, I don't know. Just overwrite it. Overwrite everything. So that should be my Trackmania data there. It didn't create the Trackmania file, the Trackmania icon for the eh. So I guess I will have to go hunting. So show hidden folders, Wine, Drive C, Trackmania Nations. So I think here is the Trackmania folder, the Trackmania file. So now if I do Wine and this, or okay, if I do Wine and the launcher, um, let's try that again or something. It already exists. Well, so I am currently on Wayland session. I think I'm supposed to install it um, on X11. It's out the display managers. Uh, what if that's the problem? Okay, so it's it's on a dark background. That's a that's a good start. Now I don't even hear the music. What okay, what's happening? Let's just open up A01 race. Oh, okay, all the textures are just black. What's going on here? What is that? If all the blocks are black, just black. Yeah. Um, I can't even see properly where to drive that way. Lil. Okay. Okay, look, just look at me go. I can't even see myself. Everything is just black, and there's no sound. Oh, oh. Okay, so at least I can see some of the dirt here. Wait, okay, it's hard. It's really hard to see. Uh, okay, okay. This looks pretty eerie. Everything is black and there's absolutely no sound. Did you see the big first shot where it was just where it's like pointed straight down at the ground and it was just black. L- Let's try a later track like this. Okay, this is just golden. Uh, okay, hey, I can still see the arrow signs. Yeah, I'm kind of discouraged from. I'm a bit discouraged from using KDE Neon now. No, I didn't make the jump. I need to have all of my speed here. which is hard because it's so hard to see here. Yes, you see, I just drove off the ground just like that. Alright, so I can't seem to get the hang of it right now, so maybe if I... Oh my gosh. Maybe if I reverse a bit. What? What's going on here? Why can't I go up? Okay, no thanks. This looks so cursed. See, then acrobatic. This one is completely in a hole, like in a closed space. That's gonna be great. Oh, at least I can see the signs. But uh, uh. Oh. Um. The race menu. It's like all yellow, and at the bottom. What fun tracks are here? Oh, if I would go if I would go to an online match, I would look so bad. Speed minis, let's go. Let's just go. Let's go make a fool out of myself. It crashed. The game crashed. Yay. So I recently posted on Twitter how I got the uh, an old version of Trackmania Nations that only runs on Windows XP by default, and I got it running on Linux Mint. Uh, I was planning to show you how to do it here, but after what happened, I'm afraid to do anything with Mint here. Uh, this was just cursed. So yeah, before that, I was using Linux Mint with the um, the Ubuntu GNOME desktop actually. Like Ubuntu has GNOME with few improvements, like there are the system tray icons here for the programs. There is oh, um, there is a Ubuntu dock here. But by default you were supposed to go to the activities view or press the super key to get to the to and then there would be this dock here. Um, by default GNOME is really minimal, but Ubuntu tries to make it a bit more like beginner friendly with the layout, I mean. Alright. I wonder, am I like when I log out, uh, I can change to X11 graphics, so I wonder if I'm supposed to do that, so that it would work. Um, I'm not sure, but what happened there was a bit discouraging. Lol, lol. Um, so there's Super Tux card. Oh, I just realized I had wait. So it still uses the same bars for both microphone and desktop. I just realized I had the desktop muted probably. And well, Kongi, the mascot of the KDE that I'm using, I don't know. Well, well, he looks really different. I'll, I like the other design better actually. But yes, they on the KDE Neon edition of Super Tux Card, they replaced the model of Kongi, their mascot, with this. Well, I don't know. Okay, let's do a battle. Battle Island. So here I'm just supposed to collect the gift boxes and just bomb other players. Like this. And who gets hit 3 times is out. There. Where are you all? Gavroche. Did I hit both of them? Or did one of them hit the other one? Bam. That was. So I'm still on 3 and not anymore. I'm no longer at at 3 lives. Bam. Oh, it just was Halloween. Oh, like 25 days ago. Let's do 9 enemies. 9 opponents. Oh no. Okay, it's maybe become a bit of a mess. So there are 3 circles here. Hey, Kongi imposter or something. I remember one time I won by just doing nothing. Like all the other enemies were just battling themselves, and I was just wondering where everyone is. Well, oh, there's nothing to do here anymore. Five spare terror cards. I'm the only one still at 3 health. Bam. I may have done that intentionally. Okay, no, not that one. Oh no, oh no. Alright, nice, I beat that one. There he comes. Oh, what? Uh, at first I missed the bowling ball, but then it bounced and hit me. Uh, so what did I want to do now? Well, I'll let that be. Wait, the it's registering the desktop sound finally. Also, something about the stock, I see like a small bubble around it maybe. The shadow is a little bit displaced. Oh well. Oh, the intro scene of Super Dogscard, it's quite something. Take a look. So there is a GNU just chilling, playing its flute, and there's this guy. He just comes and takes GNU away. GNU is maybe like the icon of the. So the GNU Foundation is about the. GNU is a foundation is about the open source software. It provides system tools for Linux. So, well, so.
Oh, what's wrong, little hippies? Your great new leader is missing. Oh, yes. See? He's in my castle now, and will be served for supper. But I'm a fair creature, so I'll make you a deal. If you can beat me at racing, I will free the old codger. But you pathetic little twerps will never be able to beat me, King of the Carts.
Of course they. So that actually was the intro scene of Super Dogscard. This guy just comes, takes away the leader of open source. It's just like, I will free them if you beat me at a kart race. Well, yes. Yes, that's what happened there. But I won't do the race right now. So I'm currently editing a video of maybe like the of the panel customization. Maybe I'll upload it. And so along with Super Dogscard, there is also Super Tux. Could not access screenshots. Well, so Super Dogscard is also, I think it's a platformer or something. Also, I like how Super Dogscard is like 30 plus intense content. So I have decided to make a partition for myself in my computer. So here I could like store some of my personal files, so they could be used in all operating systems that I have installed. I think that would be a good idea. Oh, right. So where did I put it? I can. So if let's plug something in. So on I have a USB disk. Uh, well, I may have like a few operating system like disk images here, maybe just a few, and look all of them, all of them are like operating systems. Maybe like just a few of them. I mean like all of them are operating system. Like the installation images, that there may be like may have like just a few here, and here I have just like back up. I back up my things as well. But well, yeah, these are my operating system installation images. There is Windows 7, XP and 11, Qtfish, Debian, what else? Fedora, Linux Mint, Manjaro. Oh, it disconnected one.
One moment. I'll plug it. I'll maybe plug it in better. Over here. Alright, so where was I at? Manjaro MX. I will review them soon. I will probably make a third testing Linux operating systems video. A few editions of Ubuntu goes as far back as Ubuntu 14, OpenSUSE, Pop! OS, Zorin. Well, yes, there's quite something here. Oh. So one thing about the now one thing about the global app menu. You can see on OBS on the wait, why is my microphone so loud? Why is my microphone so yes, on OBS Studio I have a Flatpak, which means it might not integrate with the system as well. So I don't get the global app menu here, but it doesn't have the app menu on the application either. So there's just no application menu. So that's something a bit unfortunate. Can I open a folder just in my personal, from my personal partition? Yes, I trust. Now I should have Python installed. Ah. So now let's do. So do I have pip? So okay, so Python. Let's try sudo apt install Python 3.11 full, was it? I'm trying to get everything of the latest Python programming language. Also, one small thing that there's like documents, downloads, pictures, videos. These folders weren't here by default, so I had to either let the programs put files on them, so they would automatically be created by the programs, not the operating system, or for documents I just made it myself. So that's a little bit something. It wasn't that big of a deal, but well, yes, this. And these like personal folders are not created by default. Do I now have Python? So wait, sudo apt install Python 3 pip. Was it like that? Python 3.11 module pip install. Wait, no. Install pygame. It appears so. No thanks. So if I restart VS Code. Ah, there we go. We got the latest Python. Also the also the I mean also the touchpad gestures are like the opposite the opposite direction to what I'm used to. Like I have to move in the way I want to move the view instead of the way I would like push the content. So it's the opposite way, and I do not know if I can even change that. So this is like some calculator program I made. So actually for a school project I am thinking of of making some kind of like really basic chat program. Current, if I run this, oh wait, no. Okay, so I would have to run these two separately, but well, but yes, I'm thinking of making like just a really basic chat program that where you can send messages to each other, and the front end there is really not much right now. So if I could like go to personal code Python, then Python 3.11. Or so I got that running. Yeah, that's yes, there's really not there's really like there's really almost nothing there right now. So if I try to send message, I would just get an error. So yes, that's perhaps a school project. Let's see what will become out of this. Oh, I switched workspaces with keyboard gestures, and I don't know how I did it. I swiped like 3 fingers. How am I doing it? So is it just 3 finger swipes? What am I doing? No, it's even 2 finger swipes. Well, so it's a bit clunky, but I maybe have figured it out now. So let's see. Click clack now. This is here's a game I have made. The font is wrong, but well, I tried to make something similar to a game that was on king.com website. So you basically just clear groups of cubes here. There are these bombs that remove things around it. there is some column blast. That's the first level done. Let's try to create a large, as large as possible raid group. Oh, it recharged again. Let's go for yellows here. Oh, alright, maybe I can make something out of this. And go. Well, 600,000 points. That's nice. Okay. Okay, 600,000 for... Okay, 640,000. Well, alright. So, also, yes, this panel, I made it so I popped it out a bit. I did it so there's a small offset from the edge of the screen, and it's a bit, and it has this kind of rounded corners. And if I would drag a window against it, maybe even make it go full screen, now it just expands to fill all the offset area around it. Also there is the there's like a game maker beta interface for Ubuntu. But it's only like for like Debian. There is only the Debian packaging of it, which while I'm trying to move away from Game Maker a bit for now, maybe move away from it. But well, I'm looking for Ubuntu based distributions. And again, and well, one thing is indeed that when a corporate when a company has their product in just one Linux format, it is likely Ubuntu. That's why I pay a bit more attention to like Win Ubuntu based distributions. So I am currently trying to make a Linux a Linux release for Marvelous of Darkness 2 that I recently released. Can I lock my screen? Or did I locked it? What? Did it film the lock screen now, or what happened? Oh yeah, I can just lock my screen. I can just... yes, I can just lock the OS and nothing happens to the distribution. Unfortunately, I cannot change the display mode from the lock screen. I have to completely close all programs and log out for that. Oh, so part of the KDE program program library, there is also the Krita, the drawing program. This is also, while it isn't pre-installed, well, actually KDE Neon came with quite a few. There were quite few pre-installed programs actually. Like this GNU Krita, Kden Live. These were all Audacity. These were all installed by me. It did actually come with VLC, so that's something. Maybe I should just switch to X11 or something. So I'm probably not gonna draw anything amazing right now. So here you can choose like the theme of Krita. I like the dark orange actually, and if I go to system settings now. These are in colors. The Krita the Krita themes I can actually just apply to the whole system. But I'll keep using oxygen for now. I need oxygen. Okay. Alright, drawing with a touchpad, it's gonna be pretty bad. Well, let's see. And so up and up. So here is a little car. I actually thought it would be worse, but yeah. I'm using I'm using a touchpad for it again. Definitely the best way to draw, using your fingers like on a touchpad, sliding them around. Let's color it. Oh no, that won't do. Grow. So I know how I'm supposed to fill in, I think. Yes, that looks better. And now a lighter blue for the windows. Well, and I told some people at school I like to like sometimes draw. Well, here you go. I guess. Well, I did this in kind of a rush, but and again with like with uh with a touchpad, really the best way to draw on a computer. Uh, okay, so let so I am going to end this stream here. I still did like 2 hours. Yes, yes, I just passed 2 hours. Forget it was like a in quotes shorter stream. Partly because I just was sick. I don't want to like uh, I, uh, I don't want to pressure myself very much. Uh, um, I may have like a little bit of a schoolwork to do, but it's not that urgent. So what else? Like so so yes KDE Neon I actually just installed it. I actually just installed it yesterday. So says so yes, currently I finished like setting up. I tried it Wine and Python. Wine was weird. Wine acted weird. It was it was fun. Uh, uh, so KDE Neon. Well, I appreciate the KDE interface on is on Ubuntu. Well, but oh, okay. The car got saved on my home folder, and now it's glorious. It's glorious displayed here on my desktop. So, so KDE Neon, the well, it is on the stable Ubuntu base, but then as the like just the latest KDE software, and well, the desktop environment hasn't been like the most stable. Like sometimes when I quickly switch between like these descriptions here, they have glitched out, but that's more on X11. And here you can see on the dock again, the shadows are kind of misplaced. I have gotten like some visual artifacts on the full screen application menu. The start screen with the full screen launcher. I mean it seems alright right now, but I have gotten I mean it actually the desktop actually seems rather alright on on Wayland, but once again the desktop gestures are a bit weird. And wine just I don't know if it's even on if it's like just on Wayland or if it's a KDE Neon problem, but wine was really buggy. So but yeah, I'm not sure if I should keep using KDE Neon. I have, as you can see, I have run into some issues with ISO. Yes, as you can see, I do have quite a bit of a choice here. I could try like Debian, go just back to Linux Mint, Manjaro, MX, maybe Cutefish even. I will like do like quick review of them soon. Pear OS, this like is supposed to replicate Mac OS on Linux. I tried it a bit. It pretty much does what I did here. It's KDE Plasma, with just the panels moved around to look like Mac OS. Maybe also some icons. But yes, Pear OS isn't really much special. I could do something like that right here with my KDE Plasma setup. I have already done something similar. But yes, I am really not sure I should keep using KDE Plasma. I mean KDE Plasma is fine. The desktop is really customizable. There are a lot of options here. There is the global app menu. But I mean the desktop may be a bit buggy, but it's actually good. But KDE Neon, I do not know if I should keep using that. No, not you. Well, alright, I'll probably log out and try like the X11 release. So I am going to let's see if I would just try to log out. Huh? Did I actually save my stream? Is it actually continuing? Well, I closed OBS. I closed all my programs, logged into like the X11 session, and and now it's just continuing. I actually managed to like. Okay, so of course there was no streaming when I was logged out, but but I managed to but I managed to like pick it up again from OBS, and now I suppose it's actually continuing. Did I actually just save it? Hold on, I'll. Alright, so I will just bring it back to the other room. Alright, so again, I will not stream for long anymore, so. Alright, so how are the gestures now? Okay, so they're pretty much the same, or can I change them? No, so I'll connect my headset again.
Alright, hello. Let's just try wine again. English next. How is the now if there will appear errors again on Fedora also the Trackpedia Nations Forever installer didn't run on Wayland. So this time it actually seems like it's doing something. Oh? No. I don't think it worked. But yeah, it's again, it's like black and cursed and no sound. Yep, you see. Yeah. You see, all the textures are just black, and there's absolutely no sound. You see that? So no, wine is wine works on. Okay, so wine works on KDE Neon even less than on Linux Mint. On Linux Mint, well, it was. Hey, it was fine. I, well, I managed to get DirectX 9 running on Linux Mint, but here, well, no, I am not even going to bother with anything else right now. For so there are updates. KDE application platform update from Flatpak. Does it even do anything? Like it it seemingly updated 250 megabytes really fast, but this is not the first time I've updated it. In the last 2 days, it keeps coming back. But but now I think I am actually going to end this. So yes, KDE Neon. Well, yes, I am running into some problems with that. Um, but uh, this is again the case that should I pick like the visuals over performance? Well, because I actually like KDE Plasma, or so with is a bit buggy, and KDE Neon is I am running into some issues with that. So I will probably check something else out. Hmm. Well, okay, I will close it now. I will end it now. If someone came to watch, so some people came to watch it. Well, thank you for that. Thank you for people who are rewatching it later. I will end it